welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name is Katie and I am the Duchess of Suds here on this channel. So we are 35 days away from Christmas, but another event also worth celebrating is coming up even faster, and that is the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend. That's next week. It's going to be crazy. And I am super excited to share that today's video is sponsored by Rakuten. So Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, is the largest cashback website with over 2,500 retailers in their program. And for their Black Friday and Cyber Monday specials, they are going to be doing double cashback at all of their retailers. So if Amazon normally gives you 5% cash back, now they're giving you 10. If Ulta gives you 3% cash back, now they're giving you 6. You best believe that I am going to load up on so many things from eBay, Amazon, Ulta, Sephora, hello giveaways, all for Royalty Soaps during this amazing cashback deal. You guys know I have talked about Rakuten plenty of times before. I've been using them for years. This year alone, I have saved over $500 with Rakuten. And there is nothing more delightful than getting a quarterly check in the mail for doing absolutely nothing except installing a browser extension. That's really as simple as it is. Whenever you go to a retailer online that is partnered with Rakuten, a little drop down will come up on your screen and will say, hey, do you want 4 or 5% cash back? And you go, heck yes, I want 4 or 5% cash back. You activate it by clicking it and off you go. That's all there is to it. That is how easy it is to save. Like, every single business owner should have this installed. Every single one of them. And lucky for you guys, they are also sponsoring a giveaway with us today, $100 just in time for holiday shopping season. The Royalty Soaps 2019 holiday collection is actually launching during the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend on a Sunday. So you can do all your shopping with everybody and it is going to be a fantastically good time. So if you want a little bit of extra spending money for that weekend, all you have to do is sign up for Rakuten down below. If you're already a member, great, you can still enter the giveaway. You'll just skip step 1 and go straight to step 2. There will be a little link down below. You can click it, you can enter the giveaway, and hey, who knows, you might end up with $100 extra cash for holiday shopping. Thanks very much to Rakuten for sponsoring today's video, and let's make this. It's so good. This soap is like, it might be my favorite. No, I always say that. I'm not gonna say that. It's a really, really good soap. Y'all are really gonna like it. The color palette is... So without further ado, let's make some soap. So let us begin by pouring in our lye water solution. I'm gonna try to pour some of it down the side of this here. And then with my stick blender, we're gonna blend it up to light trace and then split it into 5 containers. All right, so let's split off the batch. So we have split off relatively evenly 5 soap pitchers, and it's time to add the colorant. So I have 2 colors from Mica, Moma today. We have a plum, and we also have a pinky color. The pink I'm hoping will end up being more of like a rose mauve color. And we are definitely hoping for a dark plum with this purple. We're also going to have some green oxide. And we're gonna add some green oxide to this one as well. But to this container, we will also add titanium dioxide. So we're gonna lighten it up. And then to this pitcher, we're adding just titanium dioxide. Now, the ones I'm most concerned about are these 2 greens, so I'm gonna blend those up and see if I need to darken or lighten them. Y'all, look at all the colors. They look so good together. Also, that purple though. Oh, we gonna be using her again. So I have my own custom berry blend. It is 50% Huckleberry Harvest from Nature's Garden and 50% Black Raspberry Vanilla from Nature's Garden, and it is divine. I'm going to mix this fragrance oil in by hand because there's a lot of color in this soap, so naturally it speeds up just a little bit. This color palette reminds me of the blackberry patch in Peter Rabbit where his sisters are going and they're picking blackberries. Aren't they gossiping about him? I can't remember. No, it's just that it's narrated and they show him and they're like, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went and picked blackberries. It has all those exact same colors in it. Gotta mix in this last one. It is basically at the perfect consistency now, so we're going to do a drop swirl into our large slab mold after this quick commercial break. Okay, so I have a very particular way I want to do these colors because there's lighter ones and darker ones. So we're going to start with this darker green and then we're going to end on a dark color as well. So we're going to do dark green. We're going to do white, which is really runny, which is nice. Then we're going to do light green, a little thicker this one is. Then pink and then purple. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so beautiful. And even though it looks like it's like blending way too much, I promise it's not. Come back in with the dark green. And we're just gonna repeat this step until the entire soap mold is filled. Look how pretty that looks even on top. Like even if that was the end of the soap, you could just stop right there and it would look good. I am pouring it at basically the same height every time, but as we get closer to the top of the soap, I'll be pouring a little higher. But right now, again, this is perfect consistency. And a lot of that is due to the fact that the fragrance oil doesn't accelerate, but it's also due to the fact that the soap is at exactly the right temperature. Anywhere between, I would say, 85 to 90 degrees is probably your best working temperature for this recipe. Pink is next. And as things start to set up, you can also just take your spatula and give it a quick mix. Another go with the purple. Oops. Just clean that up. Oop, oop. Okay, final pass. We're pouring from really high. We can get in there. It's kind of ploppy. This is also why we wear goggles. That white in there. The final green. Oh yes. That one's going really far. Okay, so now I'm going to scrape out my containers here. I want like almost no soap left behind. And I'm just going to kind of paint splatter it on top. Bowls are clean, so now it's time to tap this on the ground, like really hard. Now we're going to have some blackberry embeds on top, and I'm going to dust them very lightly with gold. So I think we're going to do a gold swirl on top too. I'm going to take a little bit of Sparkle Sunshine from Mad Mica's. Going to take a little bit of canola oil. Great value canola oil. We ain't snobby about our oil distributors around here at Royalty Soaps. Just gonna pour that on top. Oh yes. All right, now using my pipette, I am going to swirl this. Wow. Man, that's stunning. I'm so glad we added the gold. Little sparkle never killed nobody.
Little sparkle never killed nobody. That looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna take a toothpick now just to pull some little wispy bits of that gold. I don't want to pull a whole bunch of soap, just the gold part. I think we're done as far as the swirl is concerned. Gosh, I love the crap out of that. Okay, now I get to place the embeds, which is going to be fun. So I'm going to wipe down the sides of the mold. It irritates me to look upon it. Kenneth. Okay, and now we're going to get our divider. We're going to line it up with those marks. Wow, first time? No, not first time. I knew it was too good to be true. Behold, a big bag of soapy blackberries. So now each soap is going to have one blackberry right in the middle. And like I said, I am going to dust these with a little bit of gold mica just to make all the ridges on the berry show up a little more. And there's a little bit on these little melt and pour embeds of soap sweat that kind of evaporated. So all I'll have to do to get rid of that is spritz it with rubbing alcohol, which we do to all the tops of our soaps anyway. I just finished making this and I already want to make it again. That's how you know it's a fun one to make. All right, last two. And we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. right.
You got some glitter?
I do. So this is the Sparkle Sunshine Fairy Duster from Mad Mica's. It's the exact same gold that we put on the top to swirl, and I think that's gonna look perfect for accenting the blackberries, but I am gonna spritz them first. Give this a liberal spritz on top. This is gonna help the gold stick to all those blackberries. All right, I'm gonna spritz one more time with rubbing alcohol. And that's it, Winterberry is done. Okay, I'm totally digging it. This might be my favorite low top I've created just because of the swirls. Now we are gonna wait 18 to 24 hours and then we're gonna come back, we're gonna split the slab into lobes and chop the lobes into bars after this potential quick commercial break. Oh boy! Okay, this is the one that I want to cut the most because this color palette excites me. I'm just gonna line her up. Yes, berries perfectly centered.
I bet it's gonna look very good inside.
Oh, I'm not even gonna take the end pieces off because I don't know what it looks like and I don't want to until I pull out a real bar. Gimme look! Oh my gosh, look at that purple. Mica Moma, hi, how are you? I see you, girlfriend. That is so good.
That's a classy drop swirl.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see faces.
Oh, do you really? Also, these samples are gonna look super cool. All right, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be my favorite low top of this whole collection. So because we were just talking about Peter Rabbit and his sisters in the blackberry patch with this color palette, I want to know how many of y'all have watched the original Peter Rabbit animated series, not that new movie that probably had Beatrix Potter rolling over in her grave. What an atrocity. Seriously, I want to know because there are a couple of Beatrix Potter soaps that I want to make, but I didn't know if you guys would be interested because I didn't know if y'all even liked Beatrix Potter or had seen any of her stuff. So let me know by clicking the eye in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. What'd you think of Winterberry? Ain't she a beaut? I'm serious though, this might be one of my favorite color palettes I've ever used, and I'm definitely going to use it again. If you don't already know, I already have picked out all of 2020's themes for each month soap, and I think it's April that this one looked good in. No spoilers! This soap will be available to purchase on December 1st at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Once again, that is during the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend. You're already gonna be shopping. Hit us up while you at it. If you're interested in buying soap, if you're not interested in buying soap, then please don't waste your time. We will have a whole lot of goodies restocked, including our shampoo bars, our body lotions, our diamond soaps, our perfume oils, and our candles. Thank you very much to Rakuten for sponsoring today's video, and you guys don't forget to enter a giveaway down below for $100. Hello, free money. You have nothing to lose, it's free money. I hope you all have an absolutely marvelous day. Be sure to do something fun for yourself today, whether that is entering a giveaway for free money once again down below. Or maybe just chilling out and getting off your computer because the crazy soap lady has worn you out with her enthusiasm. Be sure you do something, anything that makes you happy today. Even if it's something really teeny tiny like eating Nutella on a piece of bread. I don't care. Just do something that makes you happy. We'll see you guys for the next installment of the Royalty Soaps Holiday Collection videos. Bye for now. Meow. Kenny's gonna have to like cut this out. I feel sorry. Sorry, Kenny, I'm still rambling. I get so many comments. OMG, I can't believe you have acne. Maybe you should use your own soap. My acne on my face has nothing to do with my soap. Oh my gosh, it's hormonal. Leave me alone. And then I get other comments that are like, well, if you have to have acne, you should at least cover it up. Boo boo, I am not a beauty guru. If you want to see like flawless, perfect, snatch, airbrush skin, you can go watch a beauty guru. I ain't about that. I like to be my authentic self, and authentic Katie doesn't wear makeup 90% of the time. So there's that. Time to turn off the camera.